me take her for a ride in the car. So, hey guys, I made a new thing. It's a car this time, and has a lot of things. It has like a flap that you can open and put your turtle inside. Here you go, little buddy. And it's made for drifting. It has this little platform on the back which it drifts on, those little green things. And basically it for the car. It has the remote controller sensor right over here so you can control it. Oh look, you want to see a little turtle? So cute. So you have the main board over here. Let me close that for a minute. Have the battery wire and the 3 battery packs. As I said in my last video, I am using the triple battery pack because the double one has broken, and I will start using this one, and it actually works a bit faster. Let me show you some stuff so you can put inside of it. You can put a water bottle inside of it. I can also put some stuff inside of it that I can use to build other robots with. My turtle needs another ride. Bye guys! Goodbye! Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what I should build. Thanks so much for watching. And let's end this here. Bye!